finds a friend. Woof, woof. What has Biscuit found? Is it a ball? Woof. Is it a bone? Woof. Quack. It is a little duck. The little duck is lost. Woof, woof. We will bring the little duck back to the pond. Woof, woof. Here, little duck, here is the pond. Here are your mother and your father. Quack! Here are your brothers and your sisters. Quack, quack! The ducks say thank you. Thank you for finding the little duck. Quack! The little duck wants to play. Quack! Woof! Quack! Woof! Splash! Biscuit fell into the pond. Silly Biscuit, you are all wet. Woof! Oh no, Biscuit. Not a big shake. Woof! Time to go home, Biscuit. Quack, quack. Say goodbye, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Goodbye, little duck. Biscuit has found a new friend.